Stumbled across a ZSJ file and wondering what shell it belongs to? These scripts are tied to the Z shell environment and require the right interpreter to execute properly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through running and editing these ZSH script files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful ZSJ file inspection tool. ZSJ files are shell script files associated with the Z shell, ZSH environment, containing command sequences, variables, functions, and control structures executed by the ZSH interpreter on Unix-like operating systems for automation and system administration tasks. ZSJ scripts use plain text encoding with ZSH syntax, including shebang lines, variable assignments, command substitutions, glob patterns, conditional statements, loops, and function definitions following the ZSH scripting language specification with UTF-8 character support. For reliable opening, Visual Studio Code by Microsoft offers the best solution for ZSJ. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows does not natively run scripting languages, so execution requires external programs. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the ZSJ file and choose Open With. If Visual Studio Code is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. If your ZSJ file still refuses to open, stay calm. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, executing the script. Open a terminal in the directory containing the ZSJ file. Make the script executable by running chmod plus x filename ZSJ. Then run it with /filename.zsj or invoke it directly using ZSJ filename ZSJ. Ensure ZSH is installed on your system before attempting execution of the script. Next, editing the code. Open the ZSJ file in a text editor like Visual Studio Code Sublime Text or Vim with ZSH syntax, highlighting enabled. Review the commands and logic before execution to verify the script is safe and performs the intended operations on your system. Finally, inspecting contents safely. Use the cat or less command in a terminal to view the script contents without executing it. This allows you to audit unfamiliar scripts for malicious commands before running them, protecting your system from potentially harmful operations embedded in untrusted code. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.